Okay, so now you have actually mastered or learned the 3 standard locus, but then in the exam, of course, they will never give you everything arranged so nicely in the standard form. So what typically they will give you is something like this. Okay, so you will, one look, you must realize that this is not the standard form. It looks very close to a standard form for a locus of circle, but it's not there yet. So I need to do some adjustment. Always remember, this is how your standard locus will look like for a circle. So what you need to do is activate what you have learned in chapter 1. Okay, 1 plus I need to factor it out. So based on your chapter 1 knowledge, I can factor out 1 plus I from my modulus. Okay, so when you factor out 1 plus I from the modulus, take note this is 1 plus I modulus. 1 plus I modulus is actually root 2. Okay, and then when it comes to this manipulation, you need to remember how to handle your what you call that, complex number Cartesian division. Okay, it's actually you need to realize the denominator or rationalize the denominator before you can get the final answer. So after you do some adjustment, this is your final outcome that you have. Okay, now this is your standard locus, center at 1 minus 1 with radius root 2. So same thing for second one, it looks very close to a standard locus for a half line, but then it's not in this form yet. Okay, this is the form that I'm trying to reach. So again, I need to do some adjustment. Okay, so how to do adjustment is factor out my minus 1. Okay, and based on your rules of argument, which is very similar to your rules of logarithm, I'm going to split into argument minus 1 and argument z minus 1 plus I. What is argument minus 1? Argument of minus 1. Okay, minus 1 is just here. What's the argument? It's just pi. So argument minus 1 becomes pi, and then this pi can shift over to the right hand side, and this is what we call the standard form of my locus.